Good morning, students. So in last class, what we had learned, we learned about increasing and decreasing. Okay. So from this chapter, we discussed about two topics. What is the first topic? That is rate measure, right? Rate measure. Okay. Next, second one is increasing and decreasing. Increasing and decreasing. Right? So now in today's class I am going to start third topic. What is our third topic? Tangent and normals of a function. What is that one? Tangents and normals. Tangents and normals of a function. Okay. So what is tangent and how we have to calculate the tangent? What is normal and how we have to calculate the normal? So we are going to discuss about now tangent and normals. Okay, see. Tangent and normals. First, we should have to know about what is tangent. First, we should have to define about what is tangent and next what is normal. Okay, tangent. What is tangent? Tangent is nothing. It is a one straight line. Tangent is nothing but a straight line. But when you will say a straight line is a tangent, just listen. Suppose f of x be any one curve. F of x be any one curve. So curve means, suppose here to understand easily what I am taking here, one circle I am taking. Circle you can take, parabola you can take, ellipse you can take, or hyperbola you can take. Whatever the curve you can take yourself. Okay. Now I am going to define here tangent. If you learn about tangent, automatically you can learn about, you can find out easily normal also. Okay. Just see. What is tangent here? A line, a straight line which touches the curve at a point. A line or a straight line which touches the curve. Curve means a circle. Okay. A line, a straight line which touches the circle. Touches the circle at a point. Is called tangent. Is called tangent at this point. What is the point here? X1, y1. At this point, x1, y1. Okay. It is tangent line. Understand? It is tangent line. So maybe if you want to draw here, it is also tangent line. Or maybe here, or maybe here. Anyway, maybe here. Anyway, that means that line must be touches the curve. Okay. Yes. So if you take parabola, so it is the tangent, or it is the tangent, or it is the tangent. These are all tangents. Okay. If you take ellipse, so it is the tangent at a point x1, y1, or it is the tangent. Or it is a tangent. Like that, so many tangents. It is a tangent. Like this, so many tangents you can draw. If you take hyperbola, it is the tangent. This one tangent. Okay, or else this one is tangents. Like this, so many tangents you can draw. Infinitely many tangents you can draw. But at one point, you can draw only one tangent. But one point, you have to draw only one tangent. Okay, so tangent means nothing but a line equation. So now what we have to find here? We have to find this line equation. How can you find line? So we already learned about how to find a straight line. In the chapter straight lines, right? So to find a line equation, it is the line chapter. Some line we don't know, that some line one line. It is one straight line. So how can you find this straight line? To find the equation of a straight line, compulsory what we need? One point we required, and the slope of the line also we required. Whenever we are having point and one point on the line and slope of the line, then what is the equation of the line? The equation of this line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. It is the formula, right? To find the equation of a straight line, compulsory what information we required? Compulsory one point required on the line. And slope of the line also we need. Okay, yes. So here y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. It is the formula of the line, formula of the straight line. If suppose 2 points are there, x1 y1, x2 y2. If 2 points are there, so can you find the slope of this line equation or not? You can, if a line is passing through 2 points a and b, then we can find the slope of this line. What is the slope of this line? What is the slope of this line? Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Right? Yes. Whenever you have slope, so take any one point and find this straight line equation. Actually, what is straight line equation? Y minus. Here I am taking this first point. Okay, x1 y1. Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M means slope, means what is the slope of this straight line? This one. So here y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. It is nothing but slope. Okay, so it is about the equation of a line. Here we are going to learn equation of find the equation of tangent to a curve. Tangent means nothing but a straight line only. So that means to find a straight line, compulsory what we have to find? To find a straight line, what we have to find? We have to find a straight line. What we have to find? So to find a tangent, what we have to find? What was required? Tangent means nothing but a straight line. Tangent means nothing but a straight line. Okay. So now here to find the tangent line equation or straight line equation, what we required? Point required and a slope required. Point required and a slope required. Okay. Remember this one. And next, it is tangent line at a point x1 comma y1 with the slope m. Okay, so then what about this one? Both are perpendicular or not? Perpendicular line. Perpendicular to this is straight line. Perpendicular means nothing but a normal line. What do you say? Perpendicular line means nothing but you can take as a normal line. What do you say? Normal line. Okay, it is a normal line. It is a normal line. Okay, so normal line. How can you find this normal line? If suppose m is the slope of this point is on this line also. To find this normal line, compulsory what we required? Point required, slope required or not? But is the slope? We don't know the slope. So how can you find the slope? The slope of this normal line is equal to, both are perpendicular. Both are perpendicular, slope of normal line. Slope of normal line is equal to, what is slope of normal line? Minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. Okay, slope of this normal line is minus 1 by m. Why? Because if two lines are perpendicular, the product of the slopes of their two lines is equal to minus 1. If two lines are perpendicular, product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Product of their slopes is equal to minus 1. Suppose it is m1, it is m2. So what is that one? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Here what we have to find? m2 we have to find. So m2 value is equal to minus 1 by m1. m1 means the slope of straight line or not? Yes. So that means same like this. To find slope of normal line, simply taking minus 1 by slope of straight line. Okay, slope of tangent. It is about the slope of. Whenever you are having slope of this normal, slope of normal minus 1 by m suppose. The slope of this line is m, slope of this line is minus 1 by, slope of normal is minus 1 by m. So what is the equation? To find the equation, what we require? Point required, slope required. Yes, point is there, slope also is there. Can you find the equation of this normal line or not? Equation of normal line. Equation of normal line is equal to, what is the formula? Is y minus y1 is equal to m. Slope means what is the slope of this normal line? Minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. X minus x1. Okay? Yes. It is about equation of a straight line, equation of a normal line. Okay? Yes. Now, here, what we have to find here? Tangent and normals we have to find. So, suppose one curve is given. Suppose it is the curve. We don't know that curve is f of x is given. F of x with any curve. Okay, now what is asking here? At some point, find the slope at some point. Find the not slope, find the tangent. Find the tangent of this curve. Find the tangent of this curve at some point. Tangent line equation we have to find. Okay, see f of x curve is given. Find the equation of tangent. Find the equation of tangent at a point of this curve f of x. Of this given curve f of x. So it is some point B. So it is a tangent. Yes or no? Now only I told to you. So to find equation of line or equation of tangent, compulsory what values we require? On point required, it is x1 y1 and slope also required. Slope means m. Slope means m. Here, what is the slope? What is the slope here? Slope means here no points will be given here. That means to find that line, to find the slope of line, here what will be? Derivative dy by dx. Here we have to consider that derivative of the function or f dash of x. F dash of x is called slope of the tangent. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain briefly why we have to take dy by dx. Why we have to take dy by dx. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain depthly about why we have to take a slope as a slope. Why we are taking derivative as a slope of a tangent. Okay, just listen here. So dy by dx is equal to f dash of x. Dy by dx means f dash of x. This dy by dx only we have to treat as a slope of the straight line. Slope of the straight line. Okay, just remember this one. So now here to find equation of tangent. To find equation of tangent, what values are required? What values are required? You know, we have to know about point on the tangent and slope of the tangent. Here, simply we will do like this. What the f of x function is given. Find the equation of tangent of the curve f of x. Of the curve f of x at a point. At a point 3, 4. 3, 4. So point is there. But what is not there? To find the tangent, what is not there? Slope is not there. We have to find the slope. So here it is curve suppose. It is tangent. So to find tangent, it is the point 3, 4. What we require? Slope m required. Slope m is what? What is the slope here? F dash of x. So f of x curve is given. If you finding f dash of x means derivative of the function f of x. Derivative of the function f of x. If you find derivative of the function f of x, that is only slope of the tangent. That is only slope of the tangent. Okay, m is equal to f dash of x. So now what do we have to find? We have to find the equation of tangent or not. What is the formula? Tangent means nothing but straight line only. So y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, here what is the point is given? That point is x1 and y1. So y minus y1 means 4 is equal to m means here. M means f dash of x. F dash of x into x minus x1. Okay, here I am not y1 no, x1 is there. No? Here I take x1 by 1 only. Okay, don't take point, just take x1 and y1. Okay, so point is there, x1 by 1, slope is there, f dash of x. Then what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is equal to m means f dash of x into x minus x1. Into x minus x1. Okay, so if you want to find normal line, it is normal line. How can you find a normal line? You can find easily normal line. What is that one? Same. Y minus y1 is equal to, what is the slope of normal line? Slope of normal line is minus 1 by f dash of x into x minus x1. Okay, minus 1 by f dash of x into x minus x1. It is about this equation of tangent to equation of normal. Okay, here nothing is there. Here to find equation of normal or equation of tangent, compulsory what we required? Slope we required. Here in these our derivatives, what is the slope here? Slope means derivative of the function only. Derivative of the given curve only. F dash of x. F dash of x. Okay? Remember. Okay? Yes. See, sometimes what we will ask? Find the slope at a particular point. At a particular point. Slope means to whom we are finding slope? Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent of the curve only. Okay, remember. Suppose see, if suppose the tangent, it is a curve suppose. Okay, it is a curve suppose. It is a tangent. So this tangent is parallel to x-axis or not? It is x-axis. It is y-axis. Okay, the tangent is, it is the tangent. Tangent is parallel to x-axis. Tangent is parallel to x-axis means what is it? What is it? Slope equal to 0. So what is slope? Slope means, actually what is slope? Do you know slope? Slope is tan theta. Slope means tan theta. Did you remember? How can I define slope? First I will define slope. A straight line which makes an angle with the positive direction of x-axis. With the positive direction of x-axis is called inclination theta. Then the value of tan theta is called slope of this line. Did you remember or not? It is the first definition in that straight line. Yes or no? Inclination. Inclination means angle. A line which makes with the positive x-axis angle is called inclination. Then the value of tan theta. Value of tan theta is called slope of that line. The value of tan theta is called slope of the line. Okay. If suppose this line. So now what is the slope of the straight line? Tan theta. M is equal to tan theta. Right? Yes. So now here this line is parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means there is no angle. Angle is not there means angle is theta equal to 0. Theta equal to 0. So theta equal to 0 is tan 0. So m equal to 0. So slope of the line equal to 0. If a straight line is parallel to x-axis, then what will be? Slope of that line is equal to 0. That is why slope of x-axis, what do you say? 0. Slope of x-axis equal to 0. Why it is 0? See, here it is x-axis, it is y-axis, it is straight line. This line is not making with x-axis any angle. This line is not making any angle with x-axis. So theta equal to 0. So theta equal to 0. So find the slope. Tangent is equal to m is equal to tangent. Tangent means 0. So m equal to 0. That means slope. Slope of a line which is parallel to x-axis is 0. Slope of a line which is parallel to x-axis is 0. Or nothing but slope of x-axis also equal to 0. Okay, remember. If suppose x-axis, y-axis, line, it is line. This line makes with x-axis angle theta is equal to pi by 2. Just after this line is parallel to x-axis or not? Yes, sorry, parallel to y-axis or not? Yes. This line is parallel to y-axis. And parallel to y-axis means compulsory this line makes with the positive x-axis angle is 90 degrees. 90 means theta equal to 90. Then what is slope here? Slope of this line m is equal to tan theta. So m is equal to tan theta means here pi by 2. Yes, tan 90 not defined. Infinite. Not defined. So slope of a line which is parallel to y-axis is not defined. One more time. Once again, slope of a line which is parallel to y-axis. Is not defined. Okay, or else you can say like this also. Slope of what it is? Y-axis is not defined. Slope of y-axis also what will be? Not defined. So simply one thing you have to remember here. Slope of x-axis is equal to 0. Slope of lines. Slopes of lines which are parallel to x-axis also 0. Slope of a line which is parallel to y-axis, it is not defined. Or slope of y-axis is not defined. Okay, remember this one. It is about tangent and normal. Okay, so tangent means a line which touches the given curve is called tangent. A line which touches a curve is called tangent at a particular point. At where it will be touched, at that point only you can say that is a tangent. Okay? Yes, sir. Normal means perpendicular to tangent at the same point. perpendicular to tangent at the same point. In these derivatives, applications of derivatives, we are learning applications of derivatives. Here, what we have to consider here? We have to consider the derivative of the function is known as slope of the tangent of the curve. Slope of tangent of curve. Derivative f dy by dx or f dash of x are called slope of the tangent of the curve f of x. Slope of tangent of the curve f of x. Clear? Yes. Okay. So it is about normal and it is about tangent. Okay. Now I am going to solve some questions here. Just see. What is that one? Some examples are given here. So I am going to solve that examples. Okay. Just see. Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. Here what is given? It is example 14. Example 14. What is given here? Find the slope of the tangent to the curve. One curve is given. Y is equal to or f of x is equal to what is given? X cube minus x. Okay. At x is equal to 2. So at x equal to means here x value is given. Axis is given. Ordinate is given. Here see. It is point. Abscissa. Okay. It is ordinate. Right. This x value is given. If you substitute x value here, you will get y value also. But here y value no need here. Just what is asking here? Just listen carefully. I am not going to take x is equal to 2 also. Just to see. What is asking? Find the slope of of tangent of this curve. Actually, this curve. If you try to draw the curve of this one like this, something you will get. It is curve suppose. For this curve, at some point, what is asking here? Slope of tangent is asking. It is tangent. For this tangent, what is asking? Slope he is asking. He is not asking slope of this curve. He is not asking slope of this curve. What he is asking? He is asking slope of tangent of the curve. Are you understanding or not? He is asking slope of tangent of the given curve. Given curve means f of x equal to x cube minus x. X cube minus x. For this equation, for this curve, one tangent is there. So then find the slope of tangent of this curve. Are you understanding or not? Yes. So he is not asking slope of the curve. You never find the slope of curve. Okay. For curve there is no slope. So what will be there? For tangent means compulsory straight line. For tangent only how to find the slope of the curve. Okay. Slope of tangent of curve. It is curve. For it is curve means suppose like this I am taking. It is curve. So what is asking now here? He is asking to find slope of tangent of this curve. Understand? Slope of tangent of this curve. It is curve means it is f of x or y. Y is equal to f of x. Okay? Yes. Now it is curve. So what we have to find? Now what I told you, slope of a curve means nothing but derivative of the function. Derivative of the function. Now differentiate with respect to x. Then what you get here? Dy by dx or f of x derivative f dash of x is equal to x cube derivative x power n form. Okay, so n into x power n minus 1. Here n means 3. So 3 into x power 3 minus 1 means 2 minus 1. It is the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent of curve. Okay, just observe here. It is curve. It is tangent. This slope what we got here? So slope of here tangent is there means compulsory the tangent touches at a particular point or not? At a particular point or not? See at this point you have to find this tangent. At this point means that point x value is given. X or y only. What is x value is given here? X is equal to 2 is given. X equal to 2. Here we don't know y value. If you want you can find y value, no problem. But just see here. So it at x, comma y. At this point find this tangent. Slope of tangent, not tangent, slope of tangent. Okay, see at this point find the slope of tangent. At this point means this point comes the what is x comma y from or not. Here x value y value must be. Here what is x value is given here? X equal to 2 is given. It is 2 comma y. Here y value no need. Y means if you want to find y value is only. If you substitute 2 here, 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 2 6. So y value is 6 here. At this point 2 comma 6 he is asking slope of the tangent of the curve. Slope of tangent of curve. Okay, but here there is no y value here. No need to substitute y value here. Okay. Now just see what is asking here. Slope of the tangent dy by dx. That way he is asking. At x is equal to 2. At x is equal to 2 is equal to. I mean f dash of 2 value is asking. Right? Substitute here 3 into 2 square minus 4. So 2 square is 4. 4 3 is 12. 12 minus 1 9. Understand? So it is about the slope always being a positive value. So either may be positive or negative. Slope always being a constant value. Slope always being a constant value. So it is a constant or not? Compulsory to find a slope. To find a slope compulsory one point will be given. Okay, one point will be given. At that particular point only we have to find the slope. If suppose point will not give, point is not given. If suppose point is not given, that what you get? That derivative you get is in functional form only. In functional form only. That means in variable x and y only. Are you understanding or not? So compulsory we are going to find the slope means compulsory what will give? One point will be good. At that particular point only we have to. That means when we are defining a tangent, compulsory what is that one? Tangent at a particular point or not? That means this line touches this circle at a point. So at this point only we have to find the slope. We have to find the slope of this tangent. Then we have to find the equation of the tangent. That one different. I will explain again how to find the equation of tangent. Okay. That means compulsory what we will ask? To find a slope of a tangent of a curve. What will give? Some particular point will give. At that particular point only, we will find slope of this tangent, and we will find equation of the tangent at that point. Clear? Yes. Always remember, slope of a tangent of the given curve means you will get a constant value, one constant value. Maybe it is positive. Okay, just a moment. So it is about that question number 14. Okay. Yes. Next, find the point. Find the point is asking. Okay, find the point at which the tangent to the curve. One curve is given. Y is equal to root 4x minus 3 minus 1 has its slope 2 by 3. Slope is given. Actually, what is asking here? What is asking? One curve is given. Suppose it is the curve. To this curve, what is there? Tangent is there now. It is tangent. Okay, it is tangent. For this tangent, what is given? It is curve. This curve means curve means f of x or not? F of x is equal to y is equal to root 4x minus 3 minus 2. It is the curve. To this curve, what is there? Tangent is there not? Yes. Tangent is there or not? Tangent is there. Next, what is the slope of this tangent is given? 2 by 3. What is the slope of this tangent is given? 2 by 3. Now what is asking here? The slope of tangent of this curve. The slope of tangent of this curve is equal to 2 by 3. Then find the point. Find the point. Point means at where the tangent is touches the curve. At where the tangent is touches the curve. The point is asking. Did you get this one? So the 2 by 3 means slope or not? At what point the slope of tangent of this curve you got? He is asking. At what point the slope 2 by 3? Slope is 2 by 3. At what point the slope 2 by 3 of the tangent you got for this curve? He is asking about it. So what we find here? We have to find this point or not? Yes. So to find that point means nothing but what we have to find? X value, y value we have to find. Point means nothing but what we have to find? X value, y value we have to find. Just this. What is it? Curve. If you find differentiate, if you do differentiate, that means dy by dx, what will you get? Slope of tangent of this curve or not? Derivative only is known as the slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Yes. Slope of tangent. Yes. That is slope of tangent of this curve you will get. Already what is given here? Slope is equal to 2 by 3. If you differentiate this one, you will get the slope of tangent of the curve. It is also slope of tangent of the curve. Both are same or not? So equate them and simplify. You will get the x value. You will get x value. If you substitute that x value here, you will get y value also. Okay, right. So now what I am finding here? Given that now slope of tangent of given curve is equal to slope of tangent of the given curve. It is given curve is equal to nothing but how can you find slope? How can you find it? Differentiate this one. That differentiation only is known as a slope. Yes or no? Slope of tangent of the curve. Yes. Differentiate this one. See how can you differentiate? It is root x form. Root x means what is the derivative of root x? 1 by 2 root x. You know already. D by dx of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Yes. So here what will be? Root x derivative. Here root x. X means here this one. Okay. Yes. Root x derivative 1 by 2 root x means 4x minus 3 into root x we done derivative. For x also we have to do or not. So for 4x minus 3 also we have to find the derivative. For 4x minus 3 also we have to find the derivative. So what is the derivative of 4x minus 3? Yes. Here 4x minus 3 derivative. 4 into x derivative 1. X derivative 1 minus constant 3 derivative 0. Okay. Minus 1 constant. Derivative of 1 is 0. Okay. So finally what it is that one? 4 by 2 into root over 4x minus 3. 2 is cancelled 2 times. 2 is cancelled 2 times. Then what will be 2 by root over 4x minus 3. What it is? Slope of tangent of the given curve. Yes? But actually what is the slope is given? But slope is given 2 by 3. But slope of tangent is equal to 2 by 3. Just observe carefully. It is also slope of tangent. This is also slope of tangent. Can you make equal them? It is also slope of tangent. It is also slope of same tangent only. So both are slopes only. Slopes of a tangent only. Slopes of a same tangent only. Then make it equal. Then what will be? Then 2 by root over 4x minus 3 is equal to 2 by 3. Right? So 2 getting cancelled. And next take it cross multiplication. So what is that one? 3 is equal to root over 4x minus 3. Okay, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. Then what will be? 9 is equal to 4x minus 3. Right? 9 equal to 4x minus 3. So 3 will become here 12. So x is equal to 3. 3 comes here. 9 plus 3, 12. So 12 is equal to 4x. 4 will be cancelled 3 times. Okay. So x value 3 will come. You got x value. Point is asked actually. Point is x value, y value you have to find. We got x value. This x value substitute x is equal to 3 in y is equal to root over 4x minus 3 minus 1. Substitute this x value in this equation. You will get y value. Yes, substitute y is equal to right 4 into 3 12. 12 minus 3 9 root 9 minus 1 3 minus 1 y equal to 2. So therefore the required point is x comma y is equal to 3 comma 2. 3 comma 2. Understand? It is about the point. That means what we are saying? It is the curve. It is the tangent. At what point the slope is 2 by 3? At what point? At the point 3 comma 2. At the point 3, it is the curve f of x. It is the curve. To this curve, it is the tangent. At 3 comma 2. At 3 comma 2. Then at 3 comma 2. So it is the tangent. So what is the slope of the tangent? 2 by 3. What is the slope of the tangent? 2 by 3. Understand? So actually here from now onwards what he will give? Maybe he will ask a tangent, slope of tangent, or tangent, slope of tangent at a point, or see from now onwards which type of questions will ask? maybe slope of tangent will ask. Slope of tangent at a point will ask. Okay, or equation of tangent will ask. Equation of tangent will ask. Or else slope will be given. Like this slope will be given. Right? Slope will be given. What will ask? He will ask maybe point. These three types of questions will be asked. These three types of questions will be asked. What will ask? First one, slope of tangent at a point. Slope of tangent at a point. At a point, some point. Okay. Or simply we will ask the slope of tangent. Or equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at a point. Or slope will be given. Slope will be given. What will ask? He will ask the point or finding point. Finding point also will be. Finding point also will be asked. These four questions will be there in our tangent and normals. Normal is normal same. Find the normal equation. Find the slope of normal. Find the slope of normal. Find the point. Find the point of normal. Okay, that means with the slope, with some slope will be. These are the questions will be arised from this topic tangent and normals. Okay. Yes. Next question. Okay. So tomorrow. Not tomorrow. Just to see. I will explain now only. One more question I will take. Okay. One more question I will explain. See. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2 and being tangent to the curve. Just listen carefully what he is asking here. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2. Find the equation of all lines with slope 2. What is asking? Find the equation of all lines. Find the equation of all lines with slope 2. Slope is given. He is asking to equation of a line. Nothing but tangent only is asked. Okay. Find the equation of all lines having slope 2. And being tangent to the curve. That line is only nothing but tangents to some curve. What is the curve is given here? It is question number 16, example 16. Y plus 2 by x minus 3 is equal to 0. Y plus 2 by x minus 3 equal to 0 is given. So from this what is that one? Y is equal to minus 2 by x minus 3. It is the curve is given. It is the curve. For this curve, what is asking? For this curve, tangent slope is asking. Tangent slope is given. Slope what is given? 2 is given. It is curve. Y is equal to f of x, right? To this curve, it is tangent. Nothing. Line is given. Line is being as a tangent to this curve. So it is tangent with slope 2. Then find this line equation. Line equation is nothing but tangent line equation we have to find. Tangent line equation. Now only I told to you to find compulsory to find this line equation. What required? What values are required? Slope is there and point also you have to find. If you having this point and slope, then can you find this line equation or not? Yes. So now what we have to find here? We have to find the equation of line and nothing but equation of tangent to this curve at a particular point with slope 2. So first what we have to find here? We have to find this point. To find this line equation compulsory what we have to find? We have to find this point or not? So we have to find the point. Now only we solve one question. To find a point, what we have to find? So to find a point, what will how can you find? To find a point, how can you find? Finding a point. How can you find? Slope already is given. Find from this also slope of that tangent. From this curve, if you differentiate that one, what will be? That differentiation only nothing but slope of tangent. It is already slope of tangent. Equate them. From that one you will get x value and y value. So you will get a point. Whenever you are having point, can you find the equation of this line or not? Yes. So first what we have to find here? What we have to find? First to find the slope. Okay, slope. Slope of line or tangent is equal to, what is that one? Y dash or dy by dx is equal to, differentiate this one. Differentiate this one. See, don't use UBV formula. Okay, just minus 2, let it be constant. It is 1 by x. 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. D by dx of 1 by x. What is the formula? Minus 1 by x square. X means here x minus 3. Okay, so minus 2 let it be, minus 2 points let it be. 1 by x, 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. So 1 by x minus 3 whole square. Minus minus plus. So what will be this? Dy by dx. That is slope. Slope of tangent. So minus 2 into minus 1, 2 by x minus 3 whole square. And x minus 3 derivative also we have to find here. 1 by x derivative we find. 1 by x derivative we find. For x also we have to find the derivative or not. So x derivative means x derivative 1 minus 3 derivative 0. Into 1 you will get. That is no need. Okay? Yes. So it is the dy by dx. But slope of line is equal to 2. Given. By the problem, slope of line what is given? 2 is given. So it is also slope. It is also slope. Equate them. Then 2 by x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2. Here 2 to get cancelled. 1 will be there. Cross multiplication. So cross multiplication. So 1 is equal to x minus 3 whole square. 1 is equal to x minus 3 whole square. So this implies square is there. Square and root it is. Root 1 means x minus 3 is equal to root 1. Root 1 means plus or minus 1. It is root 1. Right? So x minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 1. So x minus 3 is equal to plus 1 or x minus 3 is equal to minus 1. So minus plus 3 transfer this side. 4. X is equal to 4 or x is equal to minus 1 plus 3. 2. Okay. So how many x values we got here? 2 x values we got. How many x values we got? 2 x values we got. Okay. Now substitute this x value in this given equation. Okay. Now substitute x is equal to 4 in y is equal to minus 2 by x minus 3. Then what will you get? Y is equal to minus 2 by 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 means 1. So this value is minus 2. So therefore, what is the point? Point is 4 minus 2. Okay. Next. And substitute x is equal to 2 in, substitute x is equal to 2 in the same equation. Y is equal to minus 2 by x minus 3. Then what is that one? Y is equal to minus 2 by 2 minus 3. Minus 2 by 2 minus 3 means minus 1. Minus minus cancel 2. Therefore point is, what is the point? X value 2, right? Y value 2. X value 2, y value 2. So what are the required points here? Therefore the points are how many points? 4 minus 2, 2 2 points we got. How many points we got? 2 points. Actually what he asked? Find the equation of tangents with slope 2. Okay. To find the equation of tangents compulsory, what we required? Slope required and point also required. Here slope already is given 2. Okay. Yes. So slope is given 2. Okay. And here points we have to find. We find by this procedure. We find the points. How many points we got here? 2 points we got. Okay. So by taking the slope 2 with these 2 points, we have to find the equation of tangents. So now see. Here what is the slope is given? What is the slope is given? Slope m is equal to 2 and point. What is the point here? First 4 minus 2. It is x1 y1. The equation of tangent is Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Okay, y1 means minus 2 plus 2 minus or minus plus 2 is equal to m means 2 x minus x1 4. Similarly, y plus 2 is equal to 2x minus 8. These are all transfer this side. 2x minus y minus 10 equal to 0. It is one line equation, nothing but tangent line equation. Okay, and one more line is there, and m is equal to point 2 comma 2 comma 2, right? Yes, the tangent line is the tangent line is. So what is the formula? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. It is x1 y1. So y minus y1 means it is a point. Y1 means 2. Z equal to m means 2. X minus 2. Okay. So y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 4. These are all transfer that side. What is the 2x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. So these two are the tangents with the slope 2 at that particular points. Okay. So like this manner we have to solve the questions. Okay. Clear? Tomorrow I will explain some more questions on this. Okay. Thank you.